Once more! Once more! Once more!
हे गाइस, ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिएगा। ट्रेंडिंग इंस्टाग्राम रील्स में लेके आ गया हूँ और आपको उसे करने से पहले वीपीएन कनेक्ट कर दीजिएगा, नहीं तो टेम्पलेट कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाएगा। और कैपकट एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा, नहीं तो टेम्पलेट और एप्लीकेशन वर्क नहीं करेगा। वीपीएन ऑन रहना चाहिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को।
After that, add some video clip like this from your gallery. It is not that you guys go and shoot in any of your managers. You can also shoot such normal clips in which you keep giving such poses and record something like this. After that, we just have to add audio here. Click here on add audio, guys. After that, click on extracted. Then you will see from this reels, here you have to extract the audio from this reels. Apart from this reel, I will give you the rest of the reels on my Telegram channel or whatever is its link. I will give you in the description box of this video. Then you can go there and extract the audio from this clip. Okay. Then you have to click here, guys, here in bits, and first we add beat marks here. But here we will generate beat marks automatically. So click here and auto generate. Apart from bits, okay. Okay. We have to keep this here in the middle in the third. After that, whatever your first and second beat marks are here, you have to remove it. Okay, apart from this, guys, you have to add beat marks here in the middle and at one more place. First listen to the song carefully here. After that you have to see where you have to add beat marks once more. Meaning, look carefully twice where. Like adding here, like you have to come to the beginning. After that listen to the song properly and come here and add a beat mark at this place. Here and after this you add here at this place. Like listen here. Okay, now our perfect is ready here, guys. Now simply we do it. And after doing done, now we have to set every clip here according to the beat marks. You just have to keep the first clip long. You have to keep it till the second beat. And all the rest of the clips here have to be cut according to the beat. Different cuts have to be made. Rest you guys can also repeat, but no. First we will arrange it here, then we will show it to you. So in this way all the clips have to be arranged according to the beat. Like you guys can see here that all our clips here are very perfect, according to the beat. Now let's go, guys. And we come here in the first clip of the beginning. And as I told you that you have to keep this clip till the second bit mask. Because we don't have to add separate clips between these two bits here. We have to cut the same clip and separate it. So like you have to come to the first bit here. After that click on it. Then we will split it. And then we will move forward. There will be nothing left in our first clip. It will be simple. Okay, now after this you come to the second clip. Tap here. Then you have to come to speed. After that you have to come to curve. And then you have to come to custom. Okay? And after coming to custom, you have to look carefully here. Take it up. Take this up as well and take the middle one down. Look carefully at the graph here. But there should not be any mistake in this here. You guys check once again whether any mistake is happening here in adding the graph, because then something or the other gets undone here. So pay attention here, and click here in smooth slow motion. Rest change it to better quality from here and done. Okay? And you have to do this thing here in every clip. Whatever clip is there after the first clip, that means after the first bit, whatever clip is there here, you have to follow the step in each clip. So let us complete this as well, then we will show you. Okay? So after completing this step, guys, our next step is to add graph in every clip. So you just have to come to the beginning and do not add it in the first clip in the beginning. You have to come to the second clip and simply tap on it, and in its beginning simply add a bit here. In other words, add a keyframe, and in the last add another keyframe in the last of this clip. Okay? And zoom the clip. So, now this feature has come that you can zoom it with both hands. It was there earlier also, but it was removed in the middle. If you want, then you can simply go to basic and come here to basic. Then from here you have to go to scale. And then from here you can increase it. Something like this. So you can do this as well. Or if you want, then you can do it with yes as well. So there are both ways. After that, after doing it this way, you have to come in the middle. Then you have to come in the graph. And then you have to add rebound to it. I don't know what is rebound out. I mean, it is something like this. Let us see again. Tap here. Then you have to come in the graph. After that, add rebound out. Okay, after that we simply do it. Now come ahead of it. After that you have to add 2 keys in it as well. One in the beginning of the clip and one in the end. Okay, come to the second key and zoom the clip. Do this much and come to the middle. After that, come in the graph. And in this you have to add flow too. You have to add this. Okay, let's do the rest. And you have to do this on every clip. After this, you have to add the graph in the same way in all your clips. So let's complete it in the same way. Then we will show you. Okay. So this step of ours is completed, guys. Now let's go. And after this, our next step is of coloring, color grading, which you must have seen that here after the first clip, there is some different color grading with yellow too. So how to do it? Look carefully here. Just come after the first clip here at the beginning of the second clip. After that, come to the left. Then from the right, you have to go here in 10, guys. Okay? Here you have to click on 10 and make it full and do it. Okay? If you want, you can also reduce it a little. Let's keep 10 a little less. This is fine. Let's do the rest. And after doing done, we will rub it completely till the end. And except for the first clip of the beginning, the rest will be in every clip here. Okay, now after doing this, guys, you just have to come in this. You just have to come in between the first and second clip. After that, click on the effect. After that, come here in the video effect. And from the opening and closing, you have to add oblique blur here. You add this. Rest we will do it. And after doing done, you have to keep it slightly in the middle. Meaning you have to add it slightly here in the part of transition. So we just keep it this much. And click here. After that, come to object and do it like this all videos. Rest we will do it. And add only 1 frame in the beginning. Here after that, add a key from in the middle and add a key from in the last here. Okay, after that, come to the last and make it completely 0, the blur and the rotation, and come to the end starting and make it completely 0. Okay, let's do the rest. And after doing that, look here. If you want, you can increase the blurring and rotation a little more. Lastly, we have one more effect left, which is between clip number 6 and 7. You come here. Clip number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means here, and how do we do it here? Look here carefully. Here, we have to click in transition, guys. After that, you have to come, guys, here, in the camera, then, here you have to add. Left, you have to add this, you have to do it, okay? And after doing that, here the video is completely ready, guys. Now we will simply export it, then we will show it to you. You can also see the rest here like this. Let's start simply. 1, 2, 3, start. Let's see the song as well, because brother, there is an issue of copyright claim, so let's see it carefully. Now let's start. So, the rest, it is very cool and very lovely, guys. You guys also make it like this and make it very smoothly. It looks very perfect. If you guys make it like this, then brother, your heart will be filled. It is made so well and looks so nice. So make it like this and post it further on Ina. And if there is any such problem, then please comment, friend. Your brother is always ready for you. So, see you tomorrow and again in a new video. Till then, bye, ta-ta, and take care. Hi, bye-bye.
इसी के साथ आज की मजदूरी यहीं खत्म करते हैं। अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो यार। मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे 2 मिलियन लाइक्स चाहिए, कैसे ना कैसे करके मुझे चाहिए। इतना झिला मैं कभी नहीं होऊंगा अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में जितना इसमें झिलाऊं, मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए। तो लाइक मारो, और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे पैसों के पीछे भागना है। बाय।